Hello guys and girls, I'm Vincent and welcome to Vincent's Year of Facts. Today I'll talk about Anopheles. Okay, Anopheles is a genus of mosquitoes, and they are also known as malaria mosquitoes. Anopheles are world's second deadliest animal. Yes. Okay, several of the species have an important impact on humans by being so-called biological vectors that spread malaria. Some, for example, Anopheles defensi, also spread malaria to rodents. Okay, over 1 million people die each year because of malaria. So if you live in, for example, America, and you think, oh, I don't want to get malaria, don't be scared to get malaria, because you can only get malaria in Africa. Okay, you can get vaccine or eat medicine against malaria. Okay, and you can't get malaria from another human. Hang tight. No. Remember to share, like and subscribe to see more. Hang tight and see you tomorrow. Thanks, goodbye, malaria pie.